Hello everybody, this is Carsten back again. I'm just here to make a short reminder of my contest, my 1000 subscribers contest. It ends in 2 days. You have until this Saturday to make a response if you would like. I've had 25 responses up until now, so I'm pretty happy about that. But if you would like to jump in for this contest, there's a $50 gift card or money transfer via PayPal or something like that if you are the lucky winner. I will leave a link to my contest below here, and so you can see what the questions are. I will end this video by showing the people that have made a video response for my contest, so you can check if your name is there. If you don't see your name, please let me know so I can add you to my contest. So that's it, everybody. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.